Good morning, class third. Today again we have started chapter number 5, that is the birds, food and the more. Here we have last time we have discussed about the feet and claws of the birds, and today we have learned that how does a birds fly. Again I have repeated, today we have learned about that how does a bird fly. A bird first flap its wing up and down to rise up in the air. When it reaches the desired height, it stops the flapping its wings and simply glides through the air. And there are two types of the flapping movement that birds show are. First one is the up stroke, second one is the down stroke. Up stroke means when the wings move upward and the backward. Again I have repeated, when the wings move upward and the backward, it's the up stroke. And second, the down stroke, when the wings move down and the forward. Then again the birds first flap its wings up and down and rise up in the sky, and when it reaches the desired height, it stops flapping its wings and simply glides. And your next, nesting habits of the birds. Birds build nest. They are twig, grass, feathers, cotton, wool, leaves, and something even mud to build their nest. The nest acts as a shelter for the birds. It keeps them safe from the bad weather. It protects them from their enemies, and their birds lay their eggs in the nest, and they take care of their young ones in the small. Again I have repeated, sorry. They take care of their young ones in the nest till they are ready to fly. Different birds make different kinds of the nest. Once they are young, one grow and the fly away. Birds do not use their nest, and most birds make a new nest every year. Example are, first one is the nest in the holes. Example are woodpecker, nest in the rocks, eagle. Woven nest, nest on the open ground. First we have to start with the nest in the hole. Here I have shown you that picture. It is the woodpecker, and a woodpecker make a hole in a tree trunk with its beak, and the hole is used as a nest. And nest in a rocks. Eagle make their nest on the higher branches of tall trees on the rocks. And last one, a woven nest. A weaver birds uses grass, twigs, and the leaves to weave a nest on a tree with its beak. The nest hangs from the branches of a tree. It pulls a grass in and out with its beaks at it weaves the nest. There is a tunnel shaped opening for the birds to the enter. Here it is the structure of a weaver birds woven nest. And this one is the Tyler bird, and it is a okay class. Then thank you. Today I have bent your session here, and today's your question is, first write down the true false statement in your copy. First, a birds have a wings and a feathers. A woodpecker has a short and a broad beak. Third, a body of a bird is a boat shape so that it can float in the air just like a boat float on the water. Fourth one is the birds such as a hen, turkeys, and the peacocks can fly long distance, and the crow is a perching bird. Thank you class, and we have meet in your next video.